Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
Now friend, a little shot I'm going to give you, okay? You're going to feel a stick, sting, and a burn, but it'll be a real small. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, a little stick, sting, and a burn. Medicine's going in. Sometimes when we put this medicine in, it just ejects the little blackhead. So we're going a little bit deeper there. Just take a deep breath. Great. Double decker, you're a natural. Yeah, see, there it is. So we put the numbing medicine in and it basically just pushed the blackhead out. We didn't even get a chance to use the tool.
Oh boy.
But we'll still use it. All right. So we'll put a little bit of a push on it here to make sure it all comes out. There it is. It's definitely all coming out. Is that hurting any?
No, not really.
Okay, good. So it'll leave a little ring mark. And these really are just little teeny tiny blackheads, and it's got a little sac right there. You can kind of see that. And then the blackhead on the top. But if we don't grab that little sac right there, you know, that's coming out right there. If we don't grab that, then what'll happen is it'll come back. Chances are this will come back, maybe. Right there. No fancy tools, no lasers, nothing like that. Just a little bit of patience and a simple tool, and we'll get that sac right out of there. And then you're good. Did you feel that?
No.
No? You're wiggly. You're a little wiggly on me there.
I'm trying to balance myself.
Oh, I won't let you fall, don't worry. You may be a big fellow, but so am I. I won't let you roll off. And that's the last little piece of it right there. I think we got it all, my friend.
Well, that's good.
Mr. Decker, I think your Dr. Weiner would be happy that you had removed his dilated pore. Yeah, it actually was one little piece right there still. Sometimes I can get a really good look up close here. There it is right there. Now we're completely clear. Now we'll do a little push down on here to make sure. Yeah, we're all clear now. Let me get a Band-Aid for that.
Okay.
Right.
Meta 7 combines 7 vital nutrients that boost your metabolism. These essential nutrients boost your energy level and may even help you lose weight. The goal of Meta 7 is to help you activate your life. So if you are feeling a bit sluggish and want your energy back, try Meta 7 today.